Data actions are processes we can use to perform sequences of copy and paste actions and scripted calculations, allowing us to carry out various planning functions on public or private versions within planning models. Users with modeling permissions create the data action processes, which can be embedded in stories and triggered by users with planning permissions. In this case, we'll create a data action process to copy the Q1 and Q2 values for our 2018 forecast to Q1 and Q2 of 2019. First, we'll enter a name for the process. Optionally, we can enter a description. Next, we'll specify the model. We need to save the data action process before we can proceed. Now we can add one or more advanced formula actions or copy actions. For advanced formula actions, we can enter a formula name and description and create scripts using a combination of the formulas and calculations provided in the online help. As we type, a hint list shows all the available functions that match our entry. The editor provides options to validate the formula, apply formatting, add comments, hide various advanced formula editor elements, and search for text. Note that advanced formula actions don't apply to cells that are defined in the model using account formulas. For this example, we won't use an advanced formula action. Now we'll add a copy action. We'll add a name, and optionally we can enter a description. In the context area, the model we selected earlier is identified as the data source. If desired, we can add filters to prevent copying values for certain dimension members. In this case, we won't apply a filter. In the Aggregate To area, we can specify any dimensions for which we don't want to copy the source distribution. In this case, we'll add product group and aggregate all values to the unassigned member. Next, we'll add our copy rules. Note that we can't choose source dimensions that are already specified for filtering or aggregation. In this case, we'll select the time dimension and copy Q1 of 2018 to Q1 of 2019. We'll finish editing the rule. Now we'll add another rule to add Q2 of 2018 to Q2 of 2019. Finally, we'll expand the options area. Here, we'll choose the method used to paste the values to the target. By default, we're set to append values. If desired, we can overwrite existing values instead. Now we'll save the data action process. We could add additional copy or advanced formula actions if desired. Note that when multiple actions are included, they're performed in the order that displays in the left panel. We can reorder the actions as desired. Once the data action process is saved, it can be embedded in stories as a trigger, enabling users with planning permissions to execute it as desired. Thanks for watching.